had some glorious sunshine here in Cornwall. I mean, it only lasted 2-3 days, but we've made use of it. We have been planting seeds, and my son has been desperately waiting to do this, but the weather's just been so bad. So as soon as we had a nice sunny day, I had an early finish at work, so we got planting, and these were the seeds we bought in Pound Stretcher. I did show you them in a video before. We only have a small little greenhouse. We used to plant more stuff in pots down the bottom of the garden, but it's just we don't have the time nor the inclination or the money to be doing too much. Last year I didn't do anything in the garden. My dad brought over some tomato seedlings, my husband, and cucumber ones, and my husband planted them and grew them in the greenhouse. This year I've kind of taken over the greenhouse a little bit, but it's more for my son because he wants to plant his flowers and try and grow some vegetables. You will see later on in this video when it came to planting the vegetable seeds, he kind of got bored and he went and helped the lady next door do some weeding, so that was fine. And we plant sunflowers, poppies, gordetta, I think it's called, pansies. What else did we plant? Cucumber, tomatoes, radishes. We did some cress, spring onions, and a couple lettuce. My husband tried lettuce last year and we had such a bad slug issue. It was just a no-go. We are going to try again and just be a bit more mindful, a bit more keep our eye on it, because they kind of got left to their own devices last year. But my son is happy because he got to plant the flowers, and the soil was quite wet. So I went online and I read up, because we've got compost, but it was quite wet because some of the bags were open, and it said online just to use it but not water your seeds in. So we're just going to keep an eye on it in the greenhouse. Once it starts drying out a little bit, then we'll start watering it, but we just don't want to waterlog anything. We're not professional gardeners by any means. We've planted stuff and we see if it grows, basically. It's just a wish and a prayer, really, and we'll see what happens. My son said about planting potatoes. I did have the big pots to plant potatoes in. I have an old recycling box that I said if I put some holes in the bottom of it, we could plant some potatoes in there this year. Again, it's going to have to be patio things. Really, we wouldn't do a massive crop and get a massive crop out of it, but it's just for my son, and you know, it's fun for kids to grow things themselves, isn't it? And eat what they've grown. So I did say we would probably do that. I didn't have enough pots to grow like the seedlings in, so I used tubs from the recycling. I also had to use plastic because the pen on my labels ran on the cardboard because the soil was so wet. So I just cut up some plastic containers from the recycling and wrote on them with Sharpies. We're not into buying anything we don't need here. And as for the cress, again, we used a party rings container, filled it with wet tissue and poured the cress seeds on. Again, this is just a little project for my son. He enjoys watching them grow. They're already sprouting within like 2 days, so he's quite happy with them. And he's made cress before, so he knows the process. So he's quite excited because he knows these grow quickly, and as a 7-year-old, they want to see something happening quickly. So the things in the greenhouse are boring him at the minute. Once they germinate, I'm sure he's going to be much more interested. And with the sunflowers, he wants to give them out to some of his friends because we've planted quite a few, more than we're going to need. So it'll be quite nice that he can give some out and say that he's grown them himself. I'll keep you updated on the process if we have any luck, if we have any failures. Just going to keep an eye on everything. We will pot on when necessary, and I'll show you that process as well. It's just a nice learning experience for the kids and good life skill to have. You know, grow your own food. Who knows which way this world is going at the moment? So if I can just pass on a little bit of knowledge, I mean, I'm no professional gardener, but a little bit goes a long way. We have had some glorious... Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you next time.